Nothing like driving down the interstate in a full-blown rainstorm. Yeah. Look, we're almost through it. You can see the mountains in the distance. And the sky opening up. Yay! And then, just like that, the rain is gone. Welcome to Knoxville. And bottom fell out again. What could go wrong doing 30 miles an hour on the interstate? Here comes the sun. Doo, doo, doo. Hey, it's Cotton Eye Joe's. Look at the rain coming off the back of that truck and the sun shining through it. That's cool. Alright, I think we're on the other side of Knoxville now. Getting closer to home every mile. Nothing like Tennessee interstate roads. This almost reminds me of the time we left out of Flagstaff. It was a beautiful blue sky day, but as we headed west, it turned into an ice and snowstorm. And then it just cleared up. Ooh, that sun is bright, shining through the mist. I say we get off the interstate and get on a side road, just because. Man, let's pull into Food City. Why not?